Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to decorate a wine bottle, a paper gift bag, and a long sleeve t-shirt. I'll be using the T1, the CPM, and the CL media. So what I'll be showing here is a great idea on how you could offer your customer a personalized gift bag, right? So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use CL media, which is a high-tech sticker paper that you can run through your laser printer and cut it with a plotter, whether it's a Graph-Tech, Roland, a Cricut, so on. So, okay, so I got this paper here. I got a picture, okay, with a quote on the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this with scissors, and you can also cut it with the cutter if you wish. But I mean, this is pretty simple, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it with scissors. Okay, so now I got this, which I'm gonna apply to the wine bottle. I remove the sticker. Just gonna apply it. It was too easy though, right? Now I have a personalized wine bottle using the CL Media sticker paper, okay? Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to decorate a plain gift bag. And this is made of just regular paper. You could get at a dollar store, probably a pack of 20 for about $2 or so. So I'm gonna use the CPM hard surface paper, which allows you to decorate anything that's a hard surface: glass, acrylic, wood, ceramic, metal, and so on. So I got the heat press at 300. Okay, I'm gonna cut a piece of paper, which I printed with the 7-Eleven WT. You can notice there's white behind the color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a piece. So again, I got the heat press 300. I'm gonna press it for about 10 seconds, medium heavy pressure. You always wanna make sure you have the piece in the middle. Ten seconds. Okay, once the 10 seconds is gone, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the heat press. Just wait a couple seconds before you peel. I mean, this is too good, too easy. Now I have a personalized gift bag. Pretty cool, huh? So now I'm gonna open the bag and put this personalized wine bottle I just did inside the bag. How cool is that? Okay. Last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna decorate a long sleeve shirt. I'm gonna use the T1 and foil. So I got the heat press at 300. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the moisture for a few seconds. Okay. I got this image, Infinity, it says best friends. Okay. I'm gonna lay it on top of the shirt. I got 300. I'm gonna press it for about 15 seconds. Okay, the 15 seconds are almost done. Okay, I'm gonna open the press. I'm gonna wave it a couple of times. And I like to pinch the corner so I can remove the paper. And the T1, it only leaves the image behind, so there's no background, there's no border, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna throw this away. So I'm going to use the T foil. I'm going to use a rainbow one. So I cut a piece already. And the cool part of this whole T1 process, that the foil is going to stick to wherever there's an image, right? So you're never going to weave, you're never going to cut around the image. So I'm just going to lay the foil on top, grab release paper. You want to press this for about 10 seconds. And again, wherever there's toner, the image, the foil is going to stick to it. So that prevents you from you weeding. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and open it. You want to make sure you peel cold. If you peel hot, you might be left with some of the foil particles behind, which you can remove with a lint roller. So there we go. You got to give it a little bit of love too, so it can release. Okay. As you can see, right? So it's stuck. It's stuck to the toner. So now I have this beautiful shirt with foil on it. So what I'm gonna do, this one more step I'm gonna do, I'm gonna seal this with what you call a T-seal. And T-seal has a coating on one side of the sheet of paper, which allows it to seal the foil onto the shirt. So you don't have any issues when you're washing the t-shirt. So I'm gonna lay the T-seal on top and press this for about 15 seconds. Again, the pressure's medium heavy. Okay. Okay, once the 15 seconds are gone, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Remove the T-seal. And I have a pretty cool shirt. Only if I knew how to fold, I would put it inside that gift bag, but I don't. So this is as far as this is as good as it's gonna get. Fold it, put it in the gift bag. What do you think of this? A personalized wine bottle, t-shirt, and bag. I think this is too